Gotta spank it.
My name is Breezy.
Shut up.
How was your weekend, man?
I don't know if I can get it to stick.
That's the bad one, probably.